Hello everyone, welcome to the Excel lesson number 80. So this is our part 10 related to the charts learning series. So in Sri Lankan way, Ayubowan, greetings from Sri Lanka. So let's start today's lesson. It is about chart types. What are the chart types and what is the use of them? So let's learn on chart types. So when you create a chart in Excel, you have to choose the chart type, and there are plenty of choose options, right? Choose from. The most common types, the ones you have probably used, are column charts, and line charts, and then maybe pie charts. And also there are several new types of charts introduced in Excel 2016 and beyond. So you should aware of those. The appropriate chart type is depending on the type of data you have, right? For example, line charts are specially useful for time series data, and scatter charts are useful for exploring relationship between two columns of data. So like that, your chart type should be depending on the data series that you have. So before we go ahead, it is very important to note that when you select your data, you can always click the recommended charts button on the insert ribbon. So it's here under the insert. You can see the recommended chart. This suggests chart types that might be appropriate for your data, and you can select any of the recommended charts. Our first chart type is column or bar charts. So here you can see we have some information, right? A data set, the region and the sales. And there you can see two types of column charts, right? We can say column or bar chart. The column charts, we can say vertical bars, or bar charts, horizontal bars, are useful for breaking down numeric variables by categories. This example shows that, right? Where each bar shows the sales from region. If you have two or more series, such as quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, right, so on. So you can try any of the 2D types. When we go to the insert, and this is the column or bar chart, and there you can see 2D column, right? And also you can try 2D bar. So, and also you can see some 3D. So personally, I do not recommend the 3D types because it's not very user friendly when you have your chart in your reports. So in general, my recommendation is to keep it simple, keep the things simple. So then it's easy for users to understand your analysis, right? So that is about column or bar charts. Then let's move to the another very interesting chart type, which is the line chart, right? So here I have again the data set, and this time it's about sales by month, and this is the line chart. So line charts are specially useful for time series data. This example shows that how monthly sales have changed in a given year, right? Ups and downs. We particularly like the line chart with markers, but here I don't have the markers, but you can see I have used a different type of format. So don't worry, we will learn how to get these type of designs in the coming lessons. So that is about line charts. The next one is another very interesting one, which is the pie charts, right? You know that pie charts are everywhere. You can find them in everywhere. Pie charts are mainly appearing in the magazines, newspapers, and all over the web, right? So they play the same role as column or bar charts. for breaking down data by categories. However, we prefer column or bar charts to any of these circular charts. It is sometimes hard to accurately gauge the relationship between the various pieces of the pie. So by looking at this, is this one twice as large as this one, or three times, or what? So that is the question, right? So the comparisons are more obvious in a column or bar chart rather a pie chart, right? So friends, those are the three chart types that I was planning to discuss in the today's lesson. So column or bar chart, line chart, and pie chart. So in the next lesson, I will talk about the rest of the types, maybe another three types. So hope you understand well the differences between the line, column, bar, and the pie charts, and you can use them according to your data type. So that is the most important thing, right? Thank you very much for watching this. Hope this is helpful to you. Please feel free to share the page with others and multiply the knowledge. Bye for now. God bless you all.